Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, we will be talking about crypto trading and specifically, how to set realistic goals for your trades. Crypto trading can be an exciting and potentially profitable venture, but it can also be risky if you do not approach it with a clear plan and realistic goals. The first step in setting realistic goals is to understand your own personal financial situation and risk tolerance. This means assessing your income, expenses, and any debts or investments you have. You also need to determine how much money you are willing to invest in crypto and how much risk you are willing to take on. Once you have a clear understanding of your financial situation, you can begin to set specific goals for your crypto trading. This might include setting a target profit percentage for each trade, determining how many trades you want to make per month, or deciding on a specific crypto asset you want to focus on. It is important to set realistic goals that are achievable based on your financial situation and the current state of the market. It is also important to track your progress and adjust your goals as needed. One bonus point to keep in mind when setting realistic goals for crypto trading is to do your research and stay informed about the market. This means keeping up to date with news and trends in the crypto world, as well as staying informed about any regulatory changes that may impact the market. By setting realistic goals and staying informed about the market, you can increase your chances of success in crypto trading. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.